Welcome aboard P&O Ventura Cabin D633 Deluxe Cabin. It's very dark in here. So we got the bathroom here, which has got a bath. It's quite nice. We got 2 robes they give you for complimentary robes and some slippers. We got an orchid flower. We got some pool towels, a double bed, some pictures. Got a TV. We got a little lounge area, another TV where the kids will be, the bed expands. And then we got the cabin, which is boiling.